Hi, welcome to the fifth tutorial on DU eLibrary. In this tutorial, we will see the DU eLibrary mobile app in action. You can find and download the DU eLibrary mobile app on both iOS App Store and the Android Play Store. Once you have installed the DU eLibrary on your mobile, please log in using the eLibrary login credentials or the DU institutional email account. Once you are logged in, you can see your past readings, trending e-resources, e-books, e-journals, and videos recommended by the DU library staff. You can browse e-resources by subject and publishers. You will find a long list of publishers of e-books, e-journals, and databases subscribed by the DU library. You can browse e-resources by media as well. Tap on any publisher to list e-resources. You can tap on the thumbnail for more details or on this bubble on the top right to open options. Tap on the Read button to visit the journal page on the publisher platform. You will be navigated to the publisher platform where you can read the full text of any article or download the PDF on your mobile phone. The mobile app also features topical collections of e-resources tagged or uploaded by the library staff. You can also find a massive collection of expert talks from channels like TED, Big Think, and thousands of literary works. You can search by keyword within the app. The app first shows you publications matching your search query. You can sort the results alphabetically or by year of publication. You can also filter results by publisher, author, media type, accessibility, or year of publication. You can switch over the tab to Collections to see e-resources uploaded by the library. If you switch over to the Articles tab, the app will broadcast your search to all the subscribed publishers and databases for matching scholarly papers. You can also save any search result to folders in Reading List. You can create multiple folders and save as many articles as you need into those folders. You will find all your saved items in the last menu option Reading List. Please note that reading lists are in sync. Whatever you save on your web account in the reading list shows up in the mobile app and vice versa. If you need any assistance or have any feedback for us, please fill out this form here and we would be happy to help you. Please try the DU eLibrary mobile app today and help us spread the word within Delhi University and all its affiliated colleges. We will be waiting for your feedback and suggestions. Happy reading!